Now I shall discuss question number 10, Roman 2, exercise 4.2 equal to. Prove that elements of first row will be y plus k, y, y. The elements of second row will be y, y plus k, y. The elements of third row will be y, y, y plus k. Closing a update by a vertical line I have done here equal to k square dot in bracket 3y plus k bracket close dot. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution. Solution implies that let LHS is equal to that elements of first row y plus k, y, y. The elements of second row y, y plus k, y. The elements of third row y, y, y plus k. Closing of that by a vertical line I have done here. Here you can see in the RHS 3y plus k is there. So if you add y plus k plus y plus y, y plus y plus y, you will get here easily 3y plus k. So this thing you will get in this row only. If you add this one y plus y plus y, you will get here 3y plus k. Here also y plus y plus y, you will get here 3y plus k. So this thing you will get easily. So here I shall use the property. By using the property, C1 goes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. This property I shall use here. Then the date will be equal to, here it says C1 goes to. This means that only changes will occur in the first column. There will be no changes in second column and third column. That's why second column and third column I shall write as it is. So here I shall write second column y, y plus k, y. Here I shall write third column y, y, y plus k. And changes will occur in the first column only, because here C1 goes to. This means that changes will occur only in the first column. Let us see what changes occur. Here write C1 goes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Here write C1 goes to. If I take the element of C1 as y plus k, so here write y plus k. Plus, here plus is there, right here plus. For C2, I shall refer second column. The corresponding element of y plus k in the second column will be y. So here write y. And for C3, I shall refer here third column. The corresponding element of y plus k in the third column will be y. So here write y. This will become y plus y comes out to here 3y plus k. You will get here. So this value I shall write here 3y plus k I shall write here. And again C1 goes to if I take the element of C1 as y, so here write y plus the corresponding element of y in the second column will be y plus k. So here write y plus k. Plus for C3 I shall refer here third column. The corresponding element of y in the third column will be y here. So write here y. This comes out to be y plus I comes out to be 3y plus k. I shall write here. This element I shall write here 3y plus k. And for this element y, here I shall write C1 goes to, for C1 if I take this the element of C1 as y, so here write y plus for C2 I shall refer here second column. The corresponding element of y in the second column will be y here. Write here y plus C there, write here plus. For C3 I shall refer here third column. The corresponding element of y in the third column will be y plus k. So here write y plus k. Goes to y plus y comes out to be 3y plus k. So this one will be reflected in the first column here. So here write 3y plus k. Closing of date by a vertical line I shall do. Here you can see in the first column elements are 3y plus k, 3y plus k, 3y plus k. Then in the first column the elements are the same. Then we can take easily 3y plus k as common from the first column. So here I shall write by taking out 3y plus k as common from C1 first column. They will get that determinant equal to, here write 3y plus k will be written as a common dot. Here write elements of first row will be 1 y y. The elements of second row will be 1 y plus k y. The elements of third row will be 1 y y plus k. This thing it will come. Now here you can see in the first column the element is, all elements are the same, that is 1. And here y is there. I shall use the property. Let us see what property I am going to use here. So here I shall use the property by using the property. Here I shall write by using the properties R1 goes to R1 minus R2. This property I shall use. And R2 goes to R2 minus R3. This property I shall use simultaneously. By using the property R1 goes to R1 minus R2 and R2 goes to R2 minus R3. This property I shall use simultaneously. Let us see what result will be. Here I shall write date equal to, in bracket, 3y plus k I shall write here, dot here you can see R1 goes to R1 minus R2. This means that R1 goes to, this means that changes will occur in the first row. And here you can see R2 goes to, this means that changes will occur in the second row. There will be no change in the third row. So here third row I shall write as it is. So here write 1 y plus k. Y plus k. Now what elements will be at the place of first row? So here changes will occur in the first row. The first row element will be, here I shall explain the things here. Here I shall write R1 goes to R1 minus R2. This thing. For the elements of first row I am going to write this statement. So here you can see R1 goes to, if I take the element of R1 as 1, so here write here 1, minus there write here 1. For R2 I shall refer here second row. The second row I have referred here. The corresponding element of 1 in the second row will be 1. Here write 1. This comes out to be 0. And again for R1 goes to, if I take the element of R1 as y, so here write y. Minus for R2 I shall refer here second row, this one, the corresponding element of y in the second row will be y plus k. So here write minus y minus k. This will be written. Minus y minus k will be written. So here we will get only minus k. Because this will be cancelled out, we will get this one. And again for R1, R1 goes to, if I take the element of R1 as y, minus there write here minus, then for R2 the corresponding element of y in the second row will be y. So here write y, comes out to 0. So here I shall write this one. This one will be effectively written in the first row. So here I shall write here first row 0. Here write minus k. Here write 0. Just compare the R1 goes to R1 minus R2. 1 minus 1 comes out to 0. Here y minus k will get here minus k. Because plus y minus y will be cancelled out. Here y minus y comes out to 0. This is okay. Again this property. R2 goes to R2 minus R3. So here write R2 goes to R2 minus R3. The R2 goes to, if I take the element of R2 as 1, so write here 1, minus the corresponding element of 1 in the third row will be 1. Write here 1, comes out to here 0. This is okay. Now again R2 goes to, if I take the element of R2 y plus k, so here write y plus k. Minus is there, write here minus. The corresponding element of y plus k in the third row will be y. So here write y. So comes out to here k. Y cancel out, comes out to k. So this one will be written. Write here 0 a k. Again R2 goes to, if I take the element of R2 as y, so here write R2 minus R3, the corresponding element of y in the third row will be y plus k. So here it will become y minus k. Minus y minus k it will become, comes out to here, you will get here minus k. So what result you have got here? 0. 0k minus k. 0k minus k we have got here. Because plus y minus y will be cancelled out, we will get here minus k I have written. So 0k minus k. So here write 0k minus k. Here you can see in this date, first column has consisted of maximum number of zeros, that is 2. That's why this date will be expanded as per first column. So here plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So here I shall take this one. This one I shall expand this date as per first column. So here I write expanding date along C1. C1 के along में expanding date along C1, you will get easily this one will get easily imply that date equal to this thing 3y plus k will be written as it is. This is 3y plus k will be written as it is, and expanding this date along C1, so this will become plus, minus, plus. So here you will get open here curly bracket, plus 1, I shall write here plus 1. After that this element will be written with sign. So here write plus 1. Just get the minor of plus 1. The minor of plus 1 will be, since here plus 1 is there in first column and third row, the first column and third row will be hidden. You will get the minor as minus k, 0, k minus k. In this case, the elements of principal diagonal are minus k will be multiplied together. We will get here minus k will multiply together, minus k will multiply together. We will get here k square. So here write k square. And this thing will get here minus, right here minus. And the elements of reverse diagonal are 0 and k. The elements of reverse diagonal 0 and k will be multiplied together. We will get here 0. Open here, close here curly bracket. We will get date equal to, here write 3y plus k will be written dot. Here you can see in curly bracket plus 1 is there. Both will multiply together. You will get here 1. And here only in the curly bracket you will get here k square. So here write k square. Comes out to here you can write k square dot in bracket 3y plus k. This thing equal to RHS. Just compare the LHS with RHS. You have got k square dot 3y plus k. This is the complete solution and explanation of question number 10, Roman 2, exercise 4.2, chapter 4, determinant in NCERT 12 math.